and welcome to a very special Elite Audio video, and it's all around a unique VIP event we have coming up on the 20th of May. And it's a first for us as far as our events go. Those of you that have attended our events in the past will know that it's usually built around the theme of a new product launch. We did have a audiophile front-end shootout or source shootout where we had reel-to-reel. This event takes a very different approach, and what we're going to be doing is comparing an ultra high-end system versus a system of approximately half its value, but one where we have put the emphasis of the cheaper system on the infrastructure. And I'll go into a bit more detail about that in a second. And your task on the day will be a blind listening test, and you'll decide which one you think sounded the best. We'll be using the same source material, so it'll be streaming, and each will be coming from a high-res digital streaming source. Now, let me quickly go through the two systems. I'm not going to spend a huge amount of time on the actual componentry, but system one will have a retail value of around about £100,000, made up of the Modrite reference pre and power. We're going to have the flagship Antipodes Oladra feeding into the flagship Aqua Formula DAC. Loudspeakers will be the brand new first pair in the UK actually, Audiophysic Avanteras. We'll be augmenting that with 2-rail subwoofers and I would say decent quality high diamond cabling. Now system 2 is going to be entirely different. The source is going to be the, I would call it the full fat SOTM rig, which is their SMS 200 Neo Ultra SE with 50 ohm external master clock connection. In fact, all the SOTM devices will be 50 ohm master clock externally connected to an SOTM 50 ohm master clock. It's a bit of a mouthful, but you'll understand when you see it on the day. The infrastructure part is where we're paying most of the attention, so we will be utilising all of the SOTM network upgrades, so the ISO-Cat 7, the DCB Cat 7 cables will all be SOTM, USB cabling, all with SPS 500 power supplies. But the main infrastructure part will come from less loss, so we're going to have in there things like the firewall for speakers, the bind breakers, all CMAC cabling, the cabling itself, and the infrastructure in this particular part of the system will have a standalone value of about £20,000. And the beauty of the infrastructure part is that these can be done modularly, so if you see the benefit of that, then you can add these piece by piece into your own system. But the main purpose is to allow you to see if a system at half its value can compete with a double value system or even get close by paying very close attention to the infrastructure. Now the whole day is always about entertainment. We love seeing you guys coming through. It's always good to see you on the day. We will have the obligatory Wildfire Pizza here. One of our VIP events would not be the same without Wildfire. If you've been to one of our events before, you will know just how good their pizzas are. I've said this many times, it is worth coming through just for Wildfire on its own. There will also be special offers, so you will get a special offer pack when you arrive. These will be exclusive to the VIP event. They will not be available online, over the phone, or by any other means, so you have to be here to get these offers, and it will apply across our entire portfolio. So if you are thinking about doing anything, this is a great time to take advantage of what these offers will actually be. It's going to be a fun day. We as a business and as audio enthusiasts are really looking forward to showing you what this comparative test will be like, because it's going to be really fascinating to see just how a properly foundationally infrastructured system can compete. I didn't mention the amplification, or I may have done so, so if I'm repeating this, I'll use my age as an excuse. But the amplification will be the Anthem STR preamp with the Anthem STR power amp. The Anthem products, they operate with a full room correction option. We'll also be using the Paradigm semi-active 120H loudspeakers. They are phenomenal. They retail just under 10,000. So, and the beauty is, the active bass part means there's less work for your amplifier to do. You don't have to run a secondary cable to the active part. Anthem have done it so it's linked straight from your normal speaker connection. You just need a power in. Again, the bass part of this, if you buy these speakers standalone, they can also utilise Anthem's room correction, so you can tune these specifically for your room. Anyway, we'll be going through all of this on the actual day. So make a note in your diary. It's the 20th of May. It's a Saturday. Anybody that knows this part of the world, and it is a beautiful part of the world, we're only 10 minutes from St Andrews, literally a stone's throw from the beautiful East Neuk villages of Anstruther, Pittenweem, Crail, Ely. It's great even just to come through. Why not come and spend the weekend here, make this part of your journey. It's such a beautiful place. And everybody knows, if you check your calendar, that the 20th of May is always guaranteed to be sunny. It's a worldwide known fact. And if you look through every Scottish historical document and you look at the 20th of May, you will always see reference to sunshine and clear skies. So that's why we picked the 20th of May. And I've no doubts when you turn up on the 20th of May. Did I mention it was the 20th of May? If I didn't, put it in your diary. 20th of May, it is a Saturday. It's going to be sunny. Your pizzas you can eat outside. But more importantly, the entertainment of system comparisons. The burning question that we all ask ourselves, where should I spend my money? So we're going to be answering those questions. You'll hear the results. You'll get to vote anonymously on the results, and we'll be telling you what the outcome is. So 20th of May, put a note in your diary. You have to register, and as I say, it is a ticket only event, so please register. I'll put the link in the YouTube listing below where the comments would normally go. Please check out our social media, because Graham will be putting in there the means by which you can also register and book tickets for the event. So 20th of May, guaranteed to be sunny. We'll keep you fed and watered, Wildfire Pizza and other refreshments throughout the day. Great offers that you'll only get at the event. And of course, we're always here to answer any of your technical questions, anything you want to know more about your own system, how to get the best from it. And you can luxuriate in the amazing systems that we will have on display for your pleasure. Thank you for watching. I hope to welcome you on our event on the 20th of May. If I didn't mention it before, it is the 20th of May and it is a Saturday and it will be sunny. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon.